Floral, and today I'm going to be doing the Animaljam giveaway. So I started this about under a week ago, and we have got 25 subscribers. Within that, I should have 26 subscribers, so it's past the due date, and I should end it now. So I have 22 entries. Here is the proof. Oh, you can't actually see it because you can't see the screen over, but yeah, 22 entries, and yeah. So let's do this. So I've entered the 22 on the random.org generator, and pretty much the third number, so 11, 7, and 17. Let's get counting. Congratulations to Kona. Kona. 5146 for the first winner. So let's go ahead and paste this number in. So yeah, congratulations. I'm gonna send you a buddy request. Go to my den, your den, and look at the rares you have. So I get a basic example of what item to give you, and I really like your den. I will sit up here. So yeah, congratulations to Kona. So I think I sent her a buddy request. What were the items again? Okay, the open sign and the claw. Okay, I'm going to give you, I think I'm going to give you the open sign. Let's go ahead and, actually I'll write my demogram first. Congrats, you won my give. Oh wait, can you do giveaway with yellow? No. Give away. What? Give. What? What? Give. I'm pretty sure I can win my give. One. Let's go ahead and customize the demogram. I'm not quite sure what I want to do as. I think I want to do that as my. My little order. I think I want to do, yeah, Hungry as a Panda with, and you get the open sign. So congratulations again to Coma5146, and let me just make sure. Open sign. Okay, let's do the next winner. I actually only swore. But yeah, let's just move on and back onto the giveaway. And I did generate a new number, but since I swore, because somebody walked in my room and I was annoyed. Yes, I'm just going to generate a new number. So 1, 2, 3, 8. Okay. Let's go back down to the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we have Descending AJ as number 8. Congratulations, Descending AJ. And I hope everyone subscribed. I'm not quite sure. Yes, I'm still here. But then I will. So congratulations, Descending AJ. You win the claw machine. So let me just. So they didn't go up. No, Jovi. Unfortunately, it isn't. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna send her a demogram quickly. Saying let's be buddies. Oh no. Let's. Okay. Send. Let me just. I'm just gonna do this quickly. So she kind of has an example. He has an example. I just choose this demogram. Get that one and that. That looks good. So first of all, I'll just send you that, and I sent you a buddy request. Congratulations. The lagginess. You won my giveaway. Second last time. Give my. Okay, now it's 1. So you can say 1. I'm just gonna retype this drummogram. For goodness sake. Oh wait, there we go. Oh no, I have to go zoom quickly. And whatever drummogram this is cool, it's cute. I feel like that. Awesome. I was recording. I am. Okay. Okay guys, thanks for watching and I've got to go right now. So yeah, congratulations to Descending and Coma. See you later guys.